the ever-evolving landscape of sport utility vehicles (SUVs, manufacturers continuously strive to redefine the driving experience by incorporating innovative features that go beyond mere transportation. One critical aspect that has seen significant evolution is the design and utilization of storage spaces within SUVs. From intelligent seat configurations to hidden cargo solutions, automakers are pushing the boundaries of creativity to provide users with unprecedented flexibility and convenience. Before we continue, if you appreciate all the information and the research that goes into making a video like this, it does help out tremendously if you hit the like button and hit subscribe. Thank you, and let's begin. Honda CR-V. The Honda CR-V's Magic Seat represents a paradigm shift in interior adaptability. Designed with versatility in mind, this innovative feature allows users to configure the rear seats in multiple modes, each catering to specific needs. In utility mode, the CR-V achieves maximum cargo space by folding the rear seats flat, making it an ideal companion for grocery runs or moving larger items. Tall mode, on the other hand, elevates the seat bottoms to accommodate taller objects, such as potted plants or artwork. The long mode extends the cargo area by folding down the front passenger seat and rear seats, enabling the transportation of longer items like surfboards or lumber. Chevrolet Equinox. The Chevrolet Equinox's multi-flex sliding rear seat sets a new standard for interior customization. This ingenious feature allows passengers to slide and recline the rear seats, offering a tailored experience for both comfort and cargo space. The flexibility of the multi-flex system empowers users to prioritize legroom or expand the cargo area, depending on their specific requirements. Whether it's creating a spacious environment for a long road trip or maximizing cargo capacity for weekend getaways, the Equinox seamlessly adapts to the demands of its occupants. Chevrolet's commitment to user-friendly design shines through in the multi-flex sliding rear seat, providing a dynamic and adaptable interior for a wide range of scenarios. Volvo XC40. Volvo's dedication to enhancing everyday usability is evident in the XC40's small yet impactful feature: fold-out bag hooks in the cargo area. These hooks are a testament to Volvo's meticulous attention to detail, providing a practical solution for securing grocery bags or preventing items from shifting during transit. The XC40's commitment to creating a safe and organized interior extends beyond the larger design elements, showcasing Volvo's holistic approach to user-centric innovation. By addressing the often overlooked aspect of securing loose items, Volvo adds a layer of sophistication to the XC40, making it a thoughtful and functional choice in the luxury SUV segment. Jeep Cherokee. The Jeep Cherokee surprises with an ingenious hidden cargo floor, a design element that goes beyond conventional storage solutions. Positioned beneath the load floor, this hidden compartment serves as a discrete space for storing valuable items or isolating muddy gear, enhancing the overall organization of the cargo area. The Cherokee's dedication to practicality aligns seamlessly with its rugged and adventurous persona, providing drivers with a secure and concealed storage option. Jeep's commitment to blending form with function is evident in the thoughtful inclusion of the hidden cargo floor, elevating the Cherokee's status as a versatile and capable SUV for a variety of lifestyles. Ford Escape. Ford's Escape stands out with a combination of modern design and functional innovation. The introduction of the rotary gear shifter not only adds a contemporary touch to the interior, but also liberates valuable center console space. Beneath the shifter lies a cleverly integrated storage bin, providing an extra layer of practicality to the SUV's interior. This thoughtful design choice showcases Ford's commitment to maximizing usability and storage efficiency in the Escape, offering a seamless and user-friendly driving experience. By seamlessly integrating design elements with practical features, Ford ensures that the Escape appeals to those seeking a balance between style and functionality. Toyota RAV4. Toyota's RAV4 takes a leap into the future with its dynamic torque vectoring all-wheel drive ORD featuring driveline disconnect. This innovative technology not only enhances the SUV's performance, but also contributes to efficient cargo space utilization. By selectively disconnecting the rear driveline when ORD is unnecessary, the RAV4 optimizes fuel efficiency without compromising on capability. This forward-thinking approach aligns with Toyota's commitment to blending advanced drivetrain technology with practical storage solutions, ensuring that the RAV4 is not only a powerhouse on the road, but also a versatile and fuel-efficient companion for various adventures. Mazda CX-5. The Mazda CX-5 introduces a power liftgate with a customizable height adjustment feature, adding a new dimension to convenience and accessibility. This innovative combination allows users to tailor the liftgate's opening height to their specific needs, accommodating various environments and preventing potential damage in low-clearance spaces. The synergy of a power liftgate with height adjustment enhances the CX-5's overall accessibility and usability, contributing to a seamless and user-friendly driving experience. Mazda's attention to detail and commitment to user-centric design make the CX-5 a standout choice for those seeking a sophisticated and functional SUV. Subaru Outback. The Subaru Outback redefines versatility with its integrated roof rails featuring fold-out crossbars. This design not only enhances the SUV's rugged aesthetic, but also provides a seamless solution for transporting larger items such as kayaks or bicycles without the need for aftermarket accessories. The integrated roof rails showcase Subaru's commitment to practicality and versatility, ensuring that the Outback is ready for any adventure. By seamlessly integrating functional design elements, Subaru creates a harmonious balance between form and function, making the Outback a reliable and versatile choice for outdoor enthusiasts and daily commuters alike. Audi Q5. Audi's Q5 marries technological sophistication with practical storage solutions through its virtual cockpit and a generously sized center console. The virtual cockpit, a digital instrument cluster, replaces traditional analog gauges, offering a customizable display of navigation, music, and other essential information. This not only contributes to a cleaner dashboard design, but also complements the large center console, providing ample storage space. Audi's attention to detail and commitment to the seamless integration of technology and storage solutions make the Q5 a standout choice for those seeking a sophisticated and functional SUV. In conclusion, the dynamic landscape of SUVs has witnessed a remarkable evolution in storage solutions, reflecting the ever-growing emphasis on user-centric design and practicality. As we look towards the future of automotive design, it's clear that the integration of innovative storage solutions will continue to be a focal point. The quest for seamless, user-friendly, and versatile interiors will undoubtedly shape the next generation of SUVs, providing drivers with a harmonious blend of practicality and innovation. In the end, it's the thoughtful details and forward-thinking features that will leave a lasting impression, making the driving experience not just a journey from one point to another, but an exploration of convenience and ingenuity on the road.